Welcome to this short guide to preparing your data for publication in the data.bris research data repository. There are 7 simple rules that you need to follow. Firstly, all the data that you want to publish should be in a single folder, which may have subfolders. Second, don't zip or otherwise compress your files. Third, your top-level folder should have a file called readme.txt. The contents of this file will be described later. Fourth, files and folder names should not contain any special characters. Fifth, the file path for any folder or file should not exceed 260 characters. Sixth, UTF-8 character encoding should be used for all text files and must be used for the README file. We'll show you how to do this later. And lastly, number 7, if applicable to your dataset, a blank consent form and a copy of the patient or participant information sheet must be included in the data for publication. Once you're happy that your data conforms to these rules, write a brief README file using a text editing program such as Notepad. This file should explain what data you're sharing and how to use it. For example, this collection of images would have a README file that looked something like this. It includes a description of the contents, details of how the pictures were taken, and information on any software that is required to use them. Once you're happy with your README, don't forget to save it with UTF-8 character encoding. If you're using Notepad, to do this, go to Save As and select UTF-8 from the drop-down menu. Your README file should include these 5 elements. Firstly, an inventory of the major parts of the dataset so that users can identify any missing parts. Secondly, details of any particular operating system required to make use of the data. Third, details of any particular software required. Fourth, information about any other dependencies, for example particular libraries that are required to make use of the data. And lastly, number 5, for tabular data, your README file should contain descriptions of column headings and row labels, any data codes used, and units of measurement. That's all you need to do to get your data ready for publication. If you need further help, have a look at the guidance on the Research Data Service website, data.bris.ac.uk, or email us at data-bris@bristol.ac.uk. Thanks for watching.